the last day or so, we've gotten this truck from, actually 2 days, we've gotten this truck right down from a truck down to the frame here. You can see that the suspension is the only thing left in it. We've stripped off pretty much all of the fuel lines and brake lines and wiring harness. Obviously the engine's out, right down to the suspension, front axle, steering box. This will all be coming out, and will allow us to take that frame and flip it all around and do what we need to do for sandblasting and restoration there. Looks pretty sharp. We took the engine, like we said, and stuck it here in this dolly. This is a dolly that we have made, and it will roll around so the engine will stay complete. There'll be a little bit of work on the engine, but for the most part it's a good runner, and we'll clean it up and make it look nice, put it right back in. And what we do with this project is we, as with all projects, we pile up parts in these bins. A lot of these parts will be sandblasted. This is a box of colored parts that will be painted in the color of the color of choice, which will be green. And these are parts of silver that will be going back to the factory silver. So that'll also be sharp. We put the name of the customer on the front, so it looks good there.